Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cakes Love Company. But today we are making laddu. I'm at my mom's house and she is the best mithai person in our whole family. And today she is sharing her very special recipe of ragi laddu. This laddu I think has also transitioned from being made with atta and sugar, and today she's going to make it with ragi, only ragi and jaggery. So this has transitioned. It's one of our favorite recipes. Do not miss this. Make it at home for your kids, for yourself. You deserve this treat and it's a special opportunity. Don't miss out. It's a special recipe coming from Mrs. Mordani. Okay, so I'm going to start filming her. You can hear the chitter clatter of the pans. So let's go do this. Half kg gur, 200 grams of water. This has to simmer and we're going to strain it because to remove impurities. On the other side, she's got ghee, half a kilo of ghee, Amma.
Half kilo ghee and half kilo atta.
Half kilo ghee, half kilo ragi atta.
And half kilo gond.
We're going to have 250 grams of gond. So that's here. Why do we use gond, Amma?
For calcium.
Calcium.
It's full of calcium and good for bones.
It's full of calcium and good for bones. Okay. So we're going to deep fry the gond in ghee. This is pure ghee. And we're going to keep it here. And we're going to crush it. We are not going to... So a little at a time, just deep fry the gond. We have the ragi atta ready to go in the ghee. Ma, should I reduce the gas? Now goes in right after you are done with the gond. Just put in your ragi flour. This is a staple in our house. Each one of us gets a lot of ragi atta, especially for winters. The ragi laddus are a staple in our house through winter. For the kids, for us, one laddu a day. It's a power packed laddu. अभी रागी के लड्डू के पीछे की कहानी बता.
नहीं, डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि रागी इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ.
हाँ.
इट इज बेटर देन व्हीट से बेटर है कि आप रागी के लड्डू खाएं.
हाँ.
So that's why I eat ragi ka laddu. And I show him, he impressed by it.
हाँ.
हाँ.
आपका डॉक्टर भी इम्प्रेस हो गया.
उसको मैंने भेजे ना लड्डू को, बहुत अच्छे बने.
हाँ. Very nice. Doctor is also impressed and happy. Now we are going to put. We've been roasting the ragi for how many minutes, Mama? Ragi को कितना देर हमने किया?
15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes घी में roast किया. Now we've added our gond, fried gond, which was crushed, gently crushed, not like put in the blender or anything. It's looking good. It's a good workout for mom and me. More mom than me. Look at her. 70, how much? 72?
Yeah,
Aapki age?
70.
72. Look at her making halwa for all of us. Constantly making those ragi laddus. This is looking great. We've also got our mixed nuts and seeds.
Badam, kaju.
हाँ.
200 gram badam, 200 gram kaju, and 200 gram akhroch.
And seeds how much?
2 to 100 gram seeds, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. If you don't want, you don't put kaju.
Yeah, you put whatever you like to put.
I put everything.
Yeah, mama puts everything. And वो chia seeds कब जाएगा?
इसके बाद मिक्स करते जाएंगे और चिया सीड
मिक्स करते जाएंगे और chia seeds फिर डालेंगे. And see it all come together. और लास्ट में गुड़ जाएगा.
बस.
जब पहले सब मिक्स हो जाए फिर उसके बाद हो गया. अभी ये डाल के भी हम इसको थोड़ी देर रोस्ट करेंगे. खाली रॉ.
Mix it properly.
Mix it properly. Okay, so she is now just straining गुड़ का पानी. Mom is measuring her गुड़ का पानी. कितना गुड़ का पानी डाल रहे हो?
About 250.
250 grams. बिकॉज हमने आधा आधा कर दिया, राइट? इसलिए, राइट?
Yeah. Because it is too much for mixing.
ठीक है.
1.5. 250 grams.
So once you've roasted everything together, all your atta, your gond, your nuts and seeds, and last your chia seeds, everything is added. In the mixture, add the gur ka pani that you've made. Make sure you strain gur ka pani because sometimes jaggery mein it's got impurities, mud, whatever, wherever you're sourcing from, it may have something. So make sure you strain your gudka water. And that's it. Is it done, Ma? That's all? Oh, yay!
Put off the gas.
I'm going to put off the gas. I have done that. The gas is off. The pan is hot. So
We do little.
we just
Now
move a little bit.
Now we make laddu.
Okay, now we're going to make laddu. Mom has the easiest hack for making laddus. She takes a ice tray. This is the coolest, huh, guys? So look at it. She's just got her ice tray. She's added a little bit of ghee to it. She pours the mixture. It's like our chocolate molds or whatever we do in baking, but this is with. So कुछ नया नहीं लाना है लड्डू बनाने के लिए. जो है घर में उसी से हम काम चलाएंगे.
Now you press.
Now you press your laddus into the mold. So the mixture is here. She's just poured it into the ice cube tray. That's all. Very, very simple.
Wow.
Yeah, just tap it out. Tap out and your laddu comes out like this. Just see.
Ice cube के जैसे.
Just the size of a modak. It's portion control as well as easy to make laddu. It's very hot right now. So I'm going to keep it and I'm going to help mom with this. So work at it when the mixture is hot and therefore the ice cube tray works better. And it's easy, it's faster. See the number of laddus that come out. And one of these per day, you're sorted. Just have a look. They're looking easy. You have to work them quick once the jaggery is put. Before the jaggery is put, you could switch it off, take a break, come back, add the jaggery. But once the jaggery is added, you got to shape them up. So keep a couple of ice cube trays if you have at home. Just use them all, I would say. We had one tray. Next time I'm going to bring 2 trays. It'll be just work much more faster. So if you think your batter or whatever, the mixture of the laddu has gone cold, Just switch on the gas on low heat, mix it up again, and then put it in the mold. It's very simple. So these are the number of laddus we got. We've got one full tray here, one here, and here. So 3 trayfuls of this size with these many laddus here. And yeah, I hope you try these.